Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 27 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, we are currently at 5,202 active listings. Let's go to our orders. I believe we had around 12 orders that came in yesterday. So let's go through them. Okay, so first one is 38.60 plus the $20, 60.60 followed by 25.60 plus the $20, followed by 36.40 plus the $20, 35.60, 20.60 plus the $20, 7.60, 7.60, 19.60, and 6.60, 17.60, lastly 6.60. Go to our performance and check our traffic. In the last 30 days, we had 5.4 million impressions, very close to 5.5 million. Our listing views was 7,446. We are currently at 78 sales minus the one that came in the next day, 77 sales. Our click-through rate is 0.1 while our conversion rate is 1%. Now let's go to our impressions. We had around very close to 500,000 impressions today. Let's go to our listing views. We are looking at very close to 1,000 listing views once again. Let's go to our quantity solved. Okay, so this is where the magic happened. As you can see that our organic is 8 while our promoted is 4. Now, as I mentioned it, as we are pruning, we are increasing our conversion rate as well as our click-through rate. What's going to happen is our organic sales are going to start going up because our account is performing better. So eBay is going to push out more organically. And the vice versa happens if you aren't performing that good. You may realize that you're getting more promoted sales in comparison to your organic sales. However, I want you to understand that there are a lot of variables that goes into this. There are a lot of factors that needs to be understood and calculated in order for you to make the decision that the promoted listing is outperforming organic due to the account health, okay? In some cases, your promoted listings may take off that day, specific day, and then you might see like a bump in promoted listing. That doesn't mean that your organic sales is below the average. It just means that promoted listing is performing a little bit more. And there are different cases that I want to get into because it's very advanced subject and I don't want to bore you guys with that. However, just keep that in mind. Usually, if your account health is good, you're going to see organic sales outperforming the promoted sales, okay? Once again, it's not a one-to-one ratio. It's just the average. And there are a lot of exceptions. Now, that is it for today's video. As you guys can see, we have our record of today on the 16th of April. We have managed to get 12 sales. And today was our highest earning. Our store is increasing in terms of the sales, in terms of the quantity sales, and as well as the money. So that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and don't forget to implement the strategies that I'm showing you guys here. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, link in bio, join our WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, you can ask them in comments or in WhatsApp group, which we are more active in. Take care of yourself. Stay tuned.